Today we are going to be talking about annotations for planning purposes. It could be for laydown yards, layouts, anything that can be used for planning. And for that, we're going to be using the polygons, but specifically the rectangle and the radius. Many customers are utilizing this to effectively plan some of these logistics. The rectangle specifically is good because you can set a fixed length and a fixed width. So for example, if I have a truck, delivery truck, or a truck that is going to be staying on my site, I can set up its length. We imagine a flatbed, for example, that should be between 60 feet and 9 feet wide. I can change the title. I can change the color. And then this polygon is going to remain with its location. Will remain with its length and its width fixed. You can rotate it, place it wherever you want to place it. But not only that, you'll be able to lock it over here in the top, meaning nobody's going to be able to modify it until they unlock it. You'll be able to copy it, paste it somewhere else, or you can just duplicate it straight on this button. It will generate another one. So if you have a lot of the same units, it's going to copy the same color, the same dimensions, but also the same title. Afterwards, you can then change the color if it's going to be another type of truck, and then keep copying from there. Now, this is one simple example for delivery trucks, but it could be for anything. It could be pallets, it could be materials, it could be anything of that nature. So you can keep adding these polygons to draw different areas and keep working your logistic plan like this. Some companies even use the radiuses to set up the reach of a crane. You can set up the fixed radius and you can give it a title also. All of the annotations on this project are going to be staying on the left-hand side menu, on the annotations menu, where you can move them into a folder if that is useful for isolating these annotations for logistics. And then you'll be able to have this folder just for the logistics annotations, where you can toggle all of them off because you don't always need to see your site for logistics, or you can toggle on whenever you need it.